Hi guys, this is me Asher, and today we're going to be reading. There's a canary in the library by the author of Canary, Freeman. Before we start, I'm going to tell you a joke. This is a good one. What did the 500-pound canary say? Don't know it? Here, kitty, kitty. Every Saturday morning, a girl named Canary went to the library. Before selecting a book, Canary always had to chat with Mrs. Curtis, the librarian. One Saturday morning, she sat down at a small round table between two boys and began looking at a book about the zoo. After a while, Canary slowly closed the book and started talking excitedly to herself. If I were a librarian, I know what I would do, she said. I would have a special day when only animals and birds would be allowed to come in and browse. First, I'll hang the spanner outside. Animal and bird day today. Welcome. Then I will sit here behind my desk and wait. Welcome to my library, Canary. How very nice of you to come so early. And oh, Lion, I'm so glad you dropped by. I'm sure you know the rules. No boring indoors. Do come in, Bear. There are many books about bears. I know you enjoy pulling through. Here are a few. I'm so sorry about the door, Elephant. Please let me help you. You need more than 4 chairs and a table of your own. I want you to be perfectly comfortable. Oh, thank you, Canary. Listen, everyone, the canary is singing. I do believe she's telling them it's time to go. Goodbye, everyone. I do hope you enjoy yourself. But remember, as you leave, please try to be very quiet. Who, me? Said one of the boys at the table. I wasn't making any noise. When Canary realized she had spoken out loud, she was terribly embarrassed. After a few minutes, she went over to the bookshelf and chose another book to take home. I hope you enjoyed this bird story, said Mrs. Curtis cheerfully. I know I shall, whispered Canary. Canaries are one of my very truest friends. And out the door she flew. And out the door she flew. The end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to do thumbs up and like and subscribe and smash that bell. See you next time. Bye.